no interest for your customers, no reserve payments for you. Go to Home and then click on Finance a Customer. Select Easy Payment Plan. Enter service name and its estimated cost. You can add more than one service at a time by clicking on Add New Service. If you want to add your terms and conditions, you can do so by checking the tab given below and add the link. Continue to move to the next step. Enter down payment and click on Continue. Select a payment plan that best suits your customer's needs and budget. Click on Add Custom Plan to create a plan that is tailored to your and your customer's needs. You can either enter the number of months or recurring amount to create a custom plan. Then click on Add Plan. Custom plans will appear like this. Select a custom plan to send proposal to the customer, or click on Continue. If you want to send proposal to your customer, choose different payment plans that may interest your customer. Click on Confirm to move to the next step. Fill in the details of your customer and select the validity of the proposal. Click on Send Proposal to proceed. Proposal is sent successfully. Your customer will receive an email like this. View Payment Plan will redirect the customer to a page where he or she can review the proposed service plan from you and select the most suitable one. If the customer is present in your office and you want to continue creating a payment plan instantly, select a payment plan and click on Continue. Enter the required customer information. Please continue. Add more information. Benefits validates the information and data you have provided. Benefits approves your customer instantly. Choose the recurring payment date. Ask your customer to sign and check mark the agreement terms and conditions. You can send payment link to your customer if he or she is not comfortable sharing card details, otherwise proceed with Confirm. If you choose to send your customer a proposal link, add details of your customer and click on Continue. Payment link is successfully sent to the customer. Your customer will receive an email like this where he or she can view payment plan. The customer will be redirected to a page where he or she can review the proposed service plan and complete the process. If the customer wants to pay using a card, click on Confirm. Add card details of your customer and click on Continue. If the customer wants to continue with the same card for recurring payment, continue with Yes, otherwise add new card details after clicking No, Add New. Confirm to create the contract successfully. Once the contract is created, you get this screen. Feature highlights. With this payment plan, you receive payments right from the first month as soon as the customer starts paying. Benefits protects your payments, reducing the risk of missed or delayed payments for your business. The deferred interest feature offers customers the option to enjoy no interest for the first 12 months. They have the flexibility to pay off the entire amount during that period, without any prepayment penalty. Benefits charges interest rates after deferred period or when a payment is missed, delayed by the customer. You can create risk-free payment plans for customers, attract more sales, and drive business growth.